Alright guys, so we are about an hour into the drive. This is freaking awesome. There's like no traffic anywhere. I got all the green lights and everything. It's just, I don't know, it's really peaceful driving this late or early. I don't even know what you would say. But it is 4:29 a.m. right now. We're gonna get there at 7:04. So they open up the gates at 7 o'clock. So we'll be there probably one of the first people, hopefully. We got about 2.5 hours left, 162 miles. So yeah, not too bad. We're gonna cruise there, we're gonna enjoy the ride. We gotta go through New York City, so we'll be able to see the skyline and get some cool shots and everything. Sun's sort of coming up, you can kind of see it on the horizon over there. But yeah, so far so good. Enjoying the ride, nice and comfortable, and nice clean car, and I'm really looking forward to the show. So let's keep on driving. Finally ran into my first Subaru after like 2.5 hours of driving. Nice car, man. My guy over here taking some rollers. He was hanging out the window. Hopefully we got some cool shots. And we just passed the cop earlier too. So we got just under an hour to go, and we are headed into a tunnel. So hopefully we can get some good sound clips while we're going through there. About 4 minutes away. I got a wide body bug eye behind me as well as a blob eye, and then my buddy that I was cruising with the whole time. So almost there. I'll catch up with you guys once we're kind of settled and I guess in our spot and everything. But yeah, some beautiful roads over here, and it's 48 degrees, so it's nice and crisp, nice and cool. It's not going to be too hot today. All right, guys, we have officially arrived. Crappy road. It's all rocks and everything, but we're getting in. left of my drive back home. My voice is almost gone from talking so much today, but I'm gonna do a wrap up once we get back to the garage. I just want to get home. I am absolutely beat. The sun was really strong today, and the pollen was out in full force. My car was completely covered. My sinuses and allergies were just completely clogged up from all the pollen. But overall, I had a great time. A lot of cool cars, really cool venue. But I want to get home and kind of get settled a little bit. I need to get some food in my stomach. I need to eat like a real meal. I've just been kind of snacking on things all day. Then once I get showered and everything, get situated, we'll catch back up in the garage and I'll do a little bit of a recap and conclusion as to what I thought about Wicked Big Meat and if I would ever go again. So I will catch back up with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we have made it back home. If you guys can't tell, my voice is almost gone. I was talking so much with everybody that I pretty much lost my voice. But I just want to do a little recap, just kind of go over the meat and everything and just kind of share some words. First off, sorry about the pollen, about how dirty this car was, because the pollen was absolutely insane. I had the engine bay open, obviously, so everybody could take a look. And it is completely covered in pollen. They can't really tell on camera, but it is absolutely filthy. I mean, you can see it right there. So I'm going to be doing a very thorough wash in the next day or two. I was also going to leave the windows open so everyone can see the interior, but I made the right move and kept the windows closed because I didn't want the pollen on the inside. That would have been terrible. So there wasn't really much I can do about it. Obviously, I washed the car last night, and then again when I went at the show, my buddy Matt and he helped me with a rinseless wash. It was perfectly clean, and then within a half an hour, it was just absolutely covered. I mean, again, it's hard to tell on camera, but in person, it's ridiculous. It's all over the place. And also, apparently, somebody actually told me that Bucky Lassick was actually looking at my car for quite a while, which was pretty cool. Unfortunately, I missed it. I wish I got a chance to talk with him, but pretty cool that he came over and was taking a look. He actually uses the exact same seats, the Recaro Sportster GTs, same exact options, the leather with the carbon inserts in his car, so it's pretty cool. But I will say that was a lot of driving. It was about 7.5 hours or so of driving just to and from. The show was awesome. The amount of cars was absolutely incredible. Honestly, I don't even think I saw half of them. I didn't even get to go into the actual lots, just because there were so many cars. It was absolutely crazy. The one thing I wasn't crazy about was just the overall dirt, the dirt roads. It was just kicking dirt up everywhere. Obviously, it wasn't their fault, but it's just kind of, one of those things that was kind of annoying, especially when all these nice cars are coming out. And everybody's nice show cars and nice cars are getting all dirty and everything, and, gravel getting kicked up. But it wasn't a big deal. But overall, I really did enjoy the show. Everything was well laid out, and, you had plenty of space to walk around. A lot of cool vendors there. There was a lot of good deals on a lot of good parts, so if you guys did snag some parts, good for you. Unfortunately, I didn't need anything. At least that's what I was telling myself. So I didn't pick anything up. But I just want to say thank you. Honestly, it was completely overwhelming for me to see how many people were coming up to me and just telling me what this car meant to them, how much it inspired them to build their cars. It was absolutely incredible to hear all the kind words and the positivity and just everything about the car that you guys were sharing with me. It was really, it was overwhelming. I honestly, I put these videos out and everything. I make them just in my garage right here. And it's pretty wild just to go to a place and then everybody just comes over and just shares all their stories, telling me they've watched every single video, they know every single modification, and I helped them with this or that, and it's just really heartwarming, and it's very reassuring. And all it did, it was just motivate me even more to continue with these videos. Because that's all I want to do. I just want to help people. I just want to kind of help them, guide them in the right direction. I always wish that I had somebody like me when I was kind of going through the whole entire car modification thing in the beginning. I understand not everybody knows everything, so when you kind of first get in the cars, you're kind of clueless, and so I always wish I found somebody that was able to kind of walk them through it. So I'm trying to be that advocate for you guys, just kind of steer you in the right direction and give you my opinion. So it was just so cool to hear all your stories and meet you guys. You guys were all so nice, and it's really nice to see some positivity in this world, and overall, it's just a really cool day. So I really do appreciate everybody coming out, checking the car out, saying what's up, and just going to the show in general. It was pretty awesome. My favorite part was just watching Travis destroy tires over and over in his car. I kept on saying it, but I cannot believe that's his job. That's what he gets paid to do. It's pretty amazing. He's living the dream. But yeah, guys, I mean, not much more to this video. Again, a really long day. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Hope you guys enjoyed the car. I'm sorry if I didn't get a chance to meet or talk with you. Hopefully we can catch up in the next one. I may be going to Boxer Fest. I don't know when that is yet. I think that's at the end of summer. But it's a little bit closer to me. It's not as far. So that might be in the books as well. We can go to that one and, you know, catch up and chat and everything. I also will, or at least I plan on it, hosting a get-together and meet at the end of June. I believe June 25th. I will clarify all the details and everything. It may be in July, depending on how things go and everything. But I definitely would like to get together, you know, just kind of a smaller group and, you know, just hang out and talk cars and whatnot. But I'll announce all those details once I get everything situated. But I just want to give everybody a heads up. But yeah, awesome day, awesome people. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. I am going to go get some rest because I am absolutely beat with all that driving and sun and all that pollen in my face all day long. It was a long day, but honestly, it has been a long time since I've been to a car show. And even so, it's been a long time as well that I have driven this car this much in pretty much one day. So it was really nice to kind of just get behind the wheel and just drive and just enjoy this thing. Because I really don't get much time to go out and for drives that much anymore. Just, you know, life is busy and crazy and everything. So it was nice to just spend the day with the car and just hang out and talk cars all day and, you know, just enjoy what we love so much. So that is it for this one, guys. Again, thank you so much. If you have any questions at all about the car or anything else, please let me know in the comments below. But in the meantime, keep it clean. Well, right now it's really dirty. Keep it simple, and I'll catch you guys for the next one.